In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload Reels on Instagram. Reels is basically a short and vertical video on this platform, and this is a new feature on this platform, so be expecting to have higher engagement on your Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to upload it on Instagram. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the button where you see the plus icon and tap on it. Then on this interface, locate the Reel that you want to upload. In this case, I'm going to select this one. So as we correctly see, this is a vertical video. Then after that, I'm going to tap on next, and this will land me onto an interface like this. On the bottom left corner, I have the option to trim this video by tapping on trim, and this will give me the ability to only cut and show the area of the video that I want it to be featured on my Reels. So I can hold this bar on the far extreme left and drag it. I can equally do it to the far extreme right by holding the bar and drag it to the area that I want it to be featured. And once I'm setting with everything, I'll just navigate to the top right corner and tap on done. Then up and above, I have the option to add the music to it by tapping on it and select any of the music that I want it to be featured. In the case I'm not seeing any music that I wish to add here, I can go to the top and search for that music. And once you are setting up the music that you want to add, you can then move back. On the top, you see where you can add the text by tapping on this icon. Then you have the option to add any text that you want it to feature. In this case, I'm going to type something like this. After that, I can proceed to tap on done. Then I can reposition and resize the text by holding it and dragging it up and position it to any place that you want it to feature. After that, you can proceed to tap on next. And then on this interface, you can continue to add a caption to it. Think of a caption as a title that you want it to be featured in the event this Reels is played. You can also add a cover by tapping on the edit cover. And the edit cover is just an image that will be shown in the event someone came across your Reel. And once you are setting with all these options, you can tag people, you can also add topics, and even show the location that you are sharing these Reels for. You can also allow this to be shared on Facebook by making sure this option is on. And once you are setting with everything, you can then proceed to tap on share, and that's it. You have successfully uploaded Reels on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.